Hey there! In this video, we'll walk you through how to track multiple tracking numbers in a single item using Shipment Tracker Pro in Monday.com. Before we get started, make sure your couriers are set up. Go to your Shipment Tracker Pro board view. Navigate to the Settings tab. Select the couriers you want to use. A minimum, 1, and maximum 3 you can select in the dropdown. Don't worry, you can still track with more than 3 couriers. The couriers you select here are just prioritized in our shipping API if multiple couriers are detected in the same board. All unselected couriers will still run in the background. Next, you need to authorize the app. If you see Authorize, click it and follow the steps. If it says Reauthorize, you can skip this step. Before installing the automations, create a test sub-item first. This step is important so Monday.com can detect the sub-item when creating our automation. Finally, create all the required columns that match the automations. You can check our documentation for the exact list. Monday.com doesn't allow adding columns during automation setup for sub-items, unlike with main items. Finally, go to the Integration Center in Monday.com. Search for Shipment Tracker Pro. Locate the automation. When tracking numbers are added, create a sub-item for each tracking number and auto-update its delivery status. Estimated. Delivery. Current location. Tracking event. Last update. Courier. Postal code. Recipient country and notes. Map each sub-item column you created earlier to the corresponding automation field. Important. If mapping shows an error like failed to load, it means the column hasn't been created in your sub-item yet. Please create the column first, then try again. Once you've finished mapping the columns, click the Create Automation button. You'll see the integration created along with a webhook. Next, return to the main board. Next, add a column to the main item named Tracking Number. Set it as a text or long text column. Enter your list of tracking numbers here, separated by commas. For best performance, we recommend keeping it to 25 or fewer per item. Warning: editing one or more tracking numbers will regenerate the sub-items. The tracking numbers are now generated in the sub-items. You'll notice the tracking number column isn't used. This integration relies on the item name instead. Avoid editing tracking numbers at the sub-item level, as it won't update the data. To edit tracking numbers, delete all sub-items for that item. Then re-enter the new numbers to regenerate. That's it. Multiple tracking numbers in one item, organized and up-to-date in Monday.com.